What's going on, cello players? Let's play Popcorn today. Don't forget to slow down the video in the YouTube settings to make it slower for practicing's sake. And also don't forget to stick around to the end of the video where I talk about tips and tricks on what I think might help you sound even better at this song. Here we go. A little low on that, sorry. Do it again. Back at 18. Going on. So, Popcorn, pretty amazing song. Next thing that I wanted to point out about this one was that I was running through this song with the tuner at the same time. So be sure that when you're doing new things, you use a tuner. For me, some of these shifting patterns with my high Ds and C sharps, I need to be looking at a tuner when I do that, just to be sure that I'm not always using the sticker tape on my instrument, but rather I'm using my ears and my muscle memory to help me command this. I don't use it all the time, but I do use it sometimes. And you should as well. When we start off in the song, we've got the D, 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 A, D, C sharp, B, A. Make sure that your high D is high enough in tune. Use that tuner. If you have that in tune, then as you move down, it should correct itself. The one that I have trouble with as a cello player, because my hands are kind of small, is the B right here. So I have to shift down just a little bit. If I keep them all in the same place, that hand position just feels really bad. If I can move my hand just a little bit upwards, it'll alleviate some of that tension in the hand and not make me so tired so fast. These four notes here is B, B, E, E, all with first finger. Just the B is going to be on the highest string, and the E will be on the string right below it. Be sure you're using your ears. When I just played that, I was a little sharp, even though I'm right on the center of the sticker tape. Again, sticker tape is good and all, but it's not perfect. You have to use your ears. Measure 6 is more of the same. We move forward. Bum, 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 da, 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 da. We get to a new phrase here at measure 12. Bum, 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 bum. They want us to use third finger for the C sharp. 12. And then walk the scale down when you're at measure 14. Bum, 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 bum. If you've gotten this far in the song and it's perfect, then measure 14 and 15 should not be hard for you. This is just 4, 3, 1, open. 4, 3, 1, open. Measure 18, we have the sit down and stands up. Just make sure you're in tune here and that you keep great posture as you stand up or sit down. Now for cello, I would imagine they're not going to have you stand up because it might like kick your end pin and your placement on the floor all over the place, but there's a chance they might have you do it in some weird alternate universe, so just be ready for it if you end up doing that. In measure 26, we have more of the same. It's actually going to take us through a repeated section. None of this content here at measure 26 is new. It's all the same repeated material, bum, 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 until the end of the song. Now, the main thing with the end of the song is make sure you stay still until your conductor puts their hands down. and gives you the signal that you can move and acknowledge the audience and turn and look at them, or whatever your concert etiquette is for your particular school or program. If this helped, let me know in the comments below. If you think my cello playing is atrocious and I should give up and stop playing cello, let me know in the comments below. Roast away. We're all just here to learn and grow, so I won't take any offense to anything you say. Share with me concert dates and performances, and let me know when you and your school are going to be performing this song. I'd love to root you on and tell you good job and good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day and continue the awesome work. Bye-bye.